In this video, we are going to show you how to work with testers. Both Spirent and Ixia has the same structure. Let's start with Spirent. First, we need to create our configuration file using Spirent Test Center. Let's create a simple bidirectional traffic on Spirent. Add device to the first port. Set the IP address and the gateway address. Add device to the second port. Set the IP address and the gateway address. These two IP addresses and the gateway addresses are in the same subnet. In this case, the real gateway address is not important because the gateway is not involved in the intra-subnet communication. Create a traffic flow on the first port. The traffic is forwarded between these two ports. Unidirectional traffic will be generated. The created devices are used as the source and the destination. The flow from device 1 to device 2. The flow from device 2 to device 1. Two flows are created. We can also create one bidirectional flow instead of two unidirectional flows. Use the default frame size. Keep the automatically generated IPv4 header. Change the traffic rate to 100 frames per second. Start the device. Start the traffic. The test configuration works correctly. Stop the traffic. And save the configuration. The tester file with TCC appendix is what we need. Other processes to configure traffic flow can be used. What we demonstrated is only one example. After saving the configuration, we close Spirent Test Center and start Spirent API server. The stcweb.yaml is the configuration file. Let's examine now our robot file. First, we define our variables. Our tester module name is stc.rest. The stc API server's IP address and port. File name is the tester file we just saved. We first let NTA framework know which tester module we are going to use with use traffic generator keyword. Then we open a session to the traffic generator. Then we load our pre-configured tester file. After that, our traffic is ready to be started. We start traffic and let it flow for 10 seconds. Then we stop and retrieve the traffic results to see various parameters from traffic results such as jitter or lost packets. This is a recording of running the robot file. Let's do the same thing for Ixia now. Again, we'll create a simple traffic in Ixia. Use the port 1 and port 2 from card 1. In the scenario, connect port 1. Select the IPv4 protocol. Connect port 2 and select the IPv4 protocol. Change the device multiplier to 1 because we only want to generate one test flow. Configure the virtual machine addresses and gateway addresses. In the traffic wizard, select the topology 1 and topology 2 as the endpoints, and create a unidirectional flow. Choose the topologies in reverse direction and create another unidirectional flow. Create flow groups according to the source and destination IP address. Set the frame size. The rate is 20 packets per second. Track the source and destination IP addresses. They can be used for statistic aggregation. Apply the configuration. Select the traffic statistic view. Here is the testing traffic statistic. Stop the test. We save the configuration and close IxiaTM application. We'll start then IxiaTM API server. Let's examine now our robot file. First, we define our variables. Our tester module name is xnetwork.rest. The IxiaTM API server's IP address and port. File name is the IxiaTester file name we just saved. The other parts of the robot file are the same as using the Spiron equipment. The process to run the robot file is also the same as using the Spiron equipment. See you in the next video.